pursuit of one objective after another. And we're sort of trying to find out, you know, we talk about how life is like this game of hot or cold, and we're trying to sort of feel where the warmth is coming from and start to go that direction. And so we choose objectives on how to get there. In the same way, we're going to choose our way forward strategy that just moves us in the right direction. A lot of the reasons why people fail when they start to plan is because they want it to be a perfect execution. They want it to be a perfect plan. They want to make sure that all of the dots align and that all of the steps are clear and that the road is paved with gold and that there's people on the sidelines cheering them on. Like, it needs to be perfect before we move on. But that's not the best thing, because then what happens is you just wait, because that usually doesn't ever happen. So you never get started. The best way to create a way forward strategy is to keep it simple and to just make sure you're moving in the right direction. It's like Mark Twain says, the two most important days of your life are the day that you're born and the day that you find out why, and everything else in between is just this journey. And we're all trying to ask the question, you know, what are we born for? And the moment that we sort of figure out why we're here and where we're pursuing it, and our life dream becomes our life, like, this is a magic moment. Happiness is learning to love the journey, not just the destination. And so it's interesting, because what you find as you study success and the science of success and successful people is they don't fall in love with the destination. The destination is the natural outcome of a journey that they're in love with.